Hey guys.
Welcome on, everyone. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Yeah, girl.
Yeah, girl. Yeah, man. All right.
What you got for me?
First word, I probably say this really country. Karate.
Karachi.
Chi.
Karachi. Yeah. Say Archie, I can do Karachi.
Archie, I can do karate.
Yeah,
Archie.
I can shake my body.
I can shake my body. Karachi. You said a Karachi kid?
Yeah.
What we finna watch tonight? Oh, we watch Karachi Kid. I'm screaming. When your legs rub together, it's like chafing.
Chafing?
Chafing.
You just say a cheer up. My leg them cheer up.
My leg them chafe up.
Cheer up.
My leg them chafe
How
up.
you walk when you cheer?
I got this. Hold on. I be like, my leg them chafe up. They actually chafe up right now. When you're chafing or you're scared that you're gonna chafe, just put deodorant on your inner thigh and it'll glide past it.
The same one where you use on the arm?
When I go to the beach or when I'm going outside or something, I got on a little dress with no like shorts, I will wear
You know,
deodorant.
I never know skinny people chief. I think I didn't want fat people.
I mean, anybody who legs do like this,
Yeah, but I thought skinny people have the Bobby leg them no.
Bobby leg, Barbie.
Bobby. Y'all want Bobby down?
Y'all want Barbie dog?
Yeah.
I'm screeching. All right.
That's
So you said it's called chipple?
Cheer up, yeah.
Okay. All right. Salad.
Salad. L-I-D, lid.
Salad.
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 Yeah, salad. Lid living.
I don't know. Like, for example, bro. Awa.
Salad dressing.
Salad dressing.
Lid is what's on top of it.
Chicken salad. Potato salad. Tuna salad.
Lid.
You really ain't even got to say lid. You just salad.
Sally.
No, it's salad.
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 Just say salad from now on.
Just say salad from now on.
On.
From now on.
Yeah.
I eat a salad
Yeah.
with my favorite salad dressing.
What's your favorite salad dressing?
Olive Garden, Italian.
Say Thousand Island. That's a mine.
Thousand Island. That's a mine.
That's mine.
Thousand?
Thousand Island.
Thousand Island.
Yeah.